Welcome to our fascinating journey into the world of honeybees. Did you know that honeybees are responsible for pollinating 1/3 of the food we consume?
Honeybees communicate through a unique, waggle dance, which informs other bees about the location of food sources. The dance conveys distance, direction, and quality of the food.
These tiny insects can recognize human faces. Studies have shown that honeybees can remember and differentiate between human faces for up to 2 days.
A single honeybee will produce only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. That means it takes around 2 million flowers for a bee to make just 1 pound of honey.
Honeybees live in colonies that can consist of up to 80,000 bees. However, only one queen bee is in charge, and her main role is to lay eggs.
Bees have been on Earth for over 30 million years. Their evolutionary history is rich and complex, showing their resilience and adaptability.
The average lifespan of a worker bee is about 5 to 6 weeks, while a queen bee can live up to 5 years, dedicated to laying thousands of eggs.
Unlike other insects, honeybees can only sting once. After they sting, they cannot pull their stinger back and will die shortly after.
Interestingly, honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. One study found that honeybees can even learn to associate colors and shapes with food, enhancing their foraging efficiency.
Bees play a vital role in pollinating crops, and their contributions are valued at over $15 billion to the U.S. economy alone, highlighting the importance of their preservation. There are about 20,000 species of bees around the world, with honeybees being just a small fraction of this diverse group.
Honeybees find their way back to the hive using the position of the sun, landmarks, and even the Earth's magnetic field.
The flavor of honey varies based on the flowers from which the nectar is collected. Enjoying wildflower honey versus orange blossom honey will say quite a bit about the local flora.
Honeybees are essential for biodiversity, helping the growth of trees, flowers, and other plants by facilitating reproduction. They even have distinct roles within their hives. Foraging bees gather nectar, nurse bees care for larvae, and scout bees search for new foraging areas.
In recent years, honeybee populations have experienced significant declines, mainly due to habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change.
While we've learned so much about bees, there are still mysteries. Scientists continue to study their behaviors and social structures.
So, the next time you see a honeybee buzzing around, remember the crucial role it plays in our ecosystem and treat it with respect.
Thank you for joining us today in exploring the astonishing world of honeybees. We hope you enjoyed these surprising facts and gained a deeper appreciation for these remarkable insects.